Always tired? Gaining weight? Cold hands? Your thyroid might be the problem. If you have hypothyroidism, your body is missing the nutrients it needs to make energy. Here are the top foods that support your thyroid. Your thyroid needs iodine to make hormones. Include these foods in your diet regularly to help your thyroid function at its best. Eat eggs, milk, iodized salt, fish, and seafood to provide your thyroid the iodine it needs for hormone production. Selenium and zinc protect the thyroid and activate its hormones. Include foods high in these nutrients in your meals for better thyroid support. Eat Brazil nuts, tuna, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. These foods are rich in selenium and zinc, essential for healthy thyroid activity. Iron deficiency worsens hypothyroidism. You should include iron-rich foods in your diet to support your thyroid and overall health. Eat spinach, red meat, dates, pomegranate. These iron-rich foods can help manage hypothyroidism and improve your energy levels. Feed your thyroid, and your energy will come back. Take care of your thyroid with healthy foods and feel better every day. Follow for more hormone health tips.